impressions. Okay, so this impression is simply the number of people that view my post without clicking. All right, and this click right here is the actual number that saw it and decide to click. Okay, so in this very video I'm going to simply show you the wide Instagram strategy that actually send traffic to your website blog. All right, without further ado, let's get straight to the point. Okay, so first thing first, head over to your browser tab and search for Instagram. Create an account. Once you create an account, then log in. But I know most of you that are watching this video right now already have an Instagram account. Okay, once you're on this video page, don't log in yet. Go to the next tab, then search for ChatGPT. The next thing you need to do is simply give it a prompt. Add this prompt. This is the prompt right here. Give me 10 trending Instagram niches in 2026. All right, so once you add this prompt, hit on this send button. So let's wait for it. AI tools and productivity tips, personal finance and money hack, food and easy recipe. So you need to do right now is simply pick any of the following niches right here. For this strategy, we're going to be going with the number one niche, okay, which is AI tools and productivity tips. Okay, the reason why we're going for this particular niche is because the curiosity is high, okay, and also it requires both screenshot and screen recording for us to create the content, and also the CPM is also higher and it requires people to click something. All right, so you need to do right now is simply copy this, paste it to your ChatGPT again, then add this prompt. Okay, to give me 20 viral Instagram content idea in this niche. Okay, AI tools and productivity tools. Each idea should create curiosity and make people want to click a link. Okay, so remember, most of the Instagram profile and team pages you've been seeing normally requires people to actually comment something for them to get a link, or comment something for them to get the full website, or comment something for you to get this and that. Okay, or check the link in the bio, those phrases. Okay, but right here we're going to simply use something different. Okay, because we're going to be giving them value at the end. We can actually get traffic to our blog. All right, once you add this, then click on this send button, then this is going to simply start generating the whole stuff for us. Okay, so you can see right here, these are viral Instagram content ideas. Okay, so you can see why we now have content ideas without gazing. All right, so right now we need to actually get to the monetization section. We need to be monetized so that if we are sending traffic, we can actually benefit from it. Okay, if you already have a blog website, you are good to go with this strategy. Okay, and if you don't have a website, go ahead and get yourself a website. Something like this right here is a website. This is my own website right here. So if I visit this website in another browser, you're going to see some advertisements that are displaying right here. Okay, just make sure you get a website fully developed and monetized for you. So if you don't have a website, go ahead and get a developer to handle this. If you don't have a developer, go ahead and join us on our Telegram channel. My team are going to simply handle all of these things for you and monetize your website as well. You can show right here, this is a blog website, and this website is monetized with both Adsterra Monetag, AdKeeper, and lots more. Okay, if my team are building your website, the next thing you need to do right now is to go ahead and sign up on adsterra.com and also on monetag.com. all right, so once you register your account, go ahead and log into your account. This is your dashboard right here. You can close all of these notifications, then scroll down here. Okay, you scroll down, click on this section that says add website, then go ahead and add your website right here. So if my team are building your website and monetizing it, they're going to simply handle all of these things for you. Okay, so you don't have to bother again. Okay, and you have to simply do the same thing on Monetag right here. You come over to this section right here that says website. You click on the website section here. When you click on that, you click on add website from here. Then you have to simply add your website URL. Okay, so these are the platforms that are going to simply monetize you. Right, so once you monetize and your blog is ready, scroll up a little bit, go to your viral content ideas. All right, copy this. Okay, copy each of these content right here. Remember, you're going to be doing them one after the other. Okay, then copy this, come over to your search box, add this right here. That is not all, you have to simply add a prompt. Okay, so you have to simply add this prompt here. Just copy this, cut it, then you come here. Okay, you paste it here. Okay, then you click on this send button. So it's going to simply generate the SEO optimized content for you. Okay, so let's wait for it. So you have to simply first of all go through it to know the AI tool it talks about right here. Okay, I went through all of these tests. It didn't actually provide the name of the AI tool. Okay, so we wanted to provide the name of the AI tool so that our audience can actually get engaged with it. Okay, Let's wait for it. So it went ahead to tell us that it is Notion AI. Okay, you can see right here, this is all about Notion AI. Okay, scroll up a bit, highlight it from here. Okay, so that's all. Just copy it, go back to your Google AI Studio, then you paste the whole stuff here. So remember, we're going to simply tell it Notion AI. So remember, we're talking about Notion AI. Okay, go ahead and send the button. You can show here the content is ready. Then hit on this button here, click on this, and then head straight to your website. Okay, then come over to your post section here, click on add post. Okay, so it has been added. So scroll up a little bit and you have to simply go ahead and edit this blog content by yourself. All right, so this is not what you're going to simply just post like this. You have to edit it and then add your own words, add your own voice right here. So go ahead and delete this very one right here. The blog is already set, so I'm going to simply customize this. Okay, so the content is ready. The next one we're going to do right now is simply go ahead and publish it. So remember, our website is already monetized. Go to this very section that says image. You take a screenshot of Notion. All right. Okay, so once you have the screenshot, hit on this and save it. Then go ahead and crop it. Okay, so on this very section, you can simply go ahead and crop it by clicking on this crop button. Okay, then hit on the save button and save it to your desktop. Okay, go back to your blog from here, hit on this set featured image, hit on upload. Okay, so and also you can actually use instant image if you want to use instant image, where you have to simply search for any related AI tools like that. Okay, but you might not see Notion as image. Okay, so come back to your upload. You want to select the one with screenshot. Okay, then hit on this button, go to your quick access. This is the screenshot here. Hit on open. It's loading. Go to our ChatGPT. Okay, copy this. We want this to be the alternate text. Okay, then come here, select this. Okay, you can see the featured image here. It selects your category from here. Okay, click on this, tech reviews. All right, then for the tag, you can add this. You can add Notion. So scroll down a little bit, hit on this preview button first. The blog is already set and ready. Okay, but one thing is missing. Okay, if people visit our blog website and view the ad which is coming from Adsterra and the one coming from Monetag, we're going to simply benefit. Okay, but there's no affiliate link right here from Notion if they want to try out this very tool. Okay, if they want to try this very tool, there's no affiliate link. Okay, so we're going to simply go back to this very section, then go to the new tab and search for Notion affiliate. Then you can see right here, this is Notion affiliate program. Okay, as you're recommending this particular application or software to your audience, then Notion can actually give you your own commission. Okay, when you bring somebody that signs up. All right, so if you come over to this section, you click on this Notion affiliate program. What you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up as an affiliate. Okay, if people buy from your link, your affiliate link, you're going to simply get your commission. Okay, and the only way to actually achieve that is when you have a blog website right here. So for you to add your own affiliate link, you have to simply come back to that particular blog content you're promoting. For instance, this section that says Notion AI, you can highlight it and hit on this link right here. Once you grab your affiliate link, then you can simply go ahead and promote this very tool. Then you're going to simply add the affiliate link right here inside of this very section. Okay, right here. Okay, once you add it here, you can simply save it. You can see, then once you have this in place, click on this publish button. Okay, hit on the publish button right here. So you can see right here our post is ready. All right, so this is the post here. So now is the time for us to head over to our Instagram. So if you come over to this section, copy your blog content. Instagram, log into your Instagram, or you create a brand new Instagram account. Okay, so this is going to simply work for you if you have an old Instagram account, but if you have if you're creating a new one, there's no problem. Then click on your bio section and add your website link. You can add it as a bio. Okay, and also on this same Instagram, the particular feature that's going to simply give you daily traffic. For instance, this particular post right now, lots of people are commenting on this video post. Okay, and this post is driving a lot of traffic. Remember, Instagram, when you post something on Instagram and you add the link are not going to simply work. For instance, if I add this as a comment right now, this is what is going to simply happen right now. Okay, so you can see right here, this is not clickable. This link is not clickable until you highlight it just like this and you set it for yourself. So this is not clickable. Instagram doesn't offer you this very section, okay, unless you want to go ahead and subscribe to premium, but I know most of you want to go with the free version. Okay, so what do you do instead? The next you need to do instead is to simply head over to your Instagram account. All right, so go to your Instagram account from your mobile phone. This is my Instagram here. Okay, on this same Instagram, you're going to see we have thread, we have the Instagram channel. It's just like you have in the Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel. Okay, you can actually add links and they will be clickable. You can see right here, all of these links right here are all clickable. And another thing is that you can invite people to this very channel and actually invite collaborators, okay, or add story. Okay, so this section that says invite, this is where you can actually gather a lot of people to your Instagram. Okay, or you share this link to your people, to your profile, to your bio page, and if people join this very page right here, which is your channel, they can actually start viewing whatever link you share on your Instagram channel. Okay, and those links are going to be clickable. So if you're getting a lot of traffic to your Instagram right now and you're wasting it and you're not delivering it straight to your blog website, you are missing this particular strategy. Just use this strategy right now and start sharing your content on this very channel. Okay, so how do you create this channel if you don't have it on your Instagram? You just need to click on this plus button here, this very plus button. Just click on this plus button. Okay, so if you click on create channel here, we have ad, we have AI, live, story, highlight, post, edit, reels. Hit on this create channel. Okay, name of the channel. So if you want to add, let's say, padded vibes. Okay, once you add that, then anyone on Instagram can actually follow this channel. Okay, and this is the only way you can actually get clickable link shared. Okay, or you tell your audience, you tell them to DM you for them to get the link of that particular stuff. Right, I'm going to simply show you what you have to create for them to comment. Okay, so if you come over to this section, you have to simply add your name, add all of these things, then click on this create button. So another way to do this is simply create some reels and posts from Canva application. Okay, go ahead and install Canva, and Canva is going to simply help you craft some cool posts about your post. Okay, about your blog content. Okay, for instance, if my blog content is about how to monetize TikTok, I can actually go ahead and go to Canva and create something like this. Okay, you can show right here this very post. I can actually tell them to comment a particular word, maybe let's say TikTok, comment TikTok for you to get the link. Okay, those are actual strategies that can actually work out for you. Okay, and one thing you have to know is this is not going to work for you if you just do it for only one post. You have to keep writing your content. Your website will also be ranking on Google, ranking on Bing and other search engines. All right, and also you can actually utilize both Facebook as well. So this is basically how it works. This is basically how you can actually get traffic. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, see you in the next one.